This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Front brake pads replacement. Pull the hood release lever located below the steering column. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. Then remove about 1/3 of the fluid into a container and discard it. This will prevent the fluid reservoir from overflowing when the caliper pistons are compressed. Install the cap onto the reservoir. Apply the parking brake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the appropriate front wheel. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Position a large C-clamp over the caliper and squeeze the piston back into its bore to provide room for the new brake pads. As the piston is depressed to the bottom of its caliper bore, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. Unscrew the caliper lower mounting bolt and pivot the caliper up to access the pads. Remove the inner and outer pads from the mounting bracket. If necessary, depress the edge of the pad retaining clip down to allow the pad to slide past the tang. Remove the upper and lower pad retaining clips from the caliper mounting bracket. If they are cracked or distorted, or you're in doubt of their condition, replace them. Also clean the mounting bracket where the clips ride. Pull out the caliper lower slide pin and check it for scoring and corrosion. Then lubricate it with high-temperature brake grease and reinstall it. Pull the upper slide pin out, then clean, inspect, and lubricate it too. Lightly lubricate the pad retaining clips with high-temperature brake grease, but only where the pad backing plates contact them. Install the inner pad and the outer pad. Pivot the caliper over the pads and install the lower caliper mounting bolt. Hold the slide pin with an open-end wrench, then tighten the lower mounting bolt to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure on the other front brake. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and add new brake fluid if necessary until the fluid reaches the max mark in the reservoir. Pump the brakes several times to seat the pads against the disc. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the vehicle to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Check the fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir one more time when the vehicle is on level ground, adding more new fluid if necessary. Install the reservoir cap.